Life in the Cambodian countryside. Life in the Cambodian countryside. Around 2000. Welcome to English listening practice. This story is for beginners. Please relax, take a deep breath, and listen slowly. Around the year 2000. Life in the Cambodian countryside was simple and quiet. Many people lived in small villages. The villages were surrounded by rice fields, trees, and rivers. Most houses were made of wood. They were built on high wooden posts. Under the houses, people kept chickens, cows, or farming tools. The air was fresh. The land was green and wide. Most families were farmers. They worked in the rice fields every day. Early in the morning, before the sun became hot, people woke up. They ate simple food, rice, dried fish, and soup. After that, they walked to the fields together. Sometimes the fields were far away. In the rice fields, men and women worked side by side. They planted rice in the rainy season and harvested rice in the dry season. Their feet were in the mud. Their clothes were wet and dirty. The work was hard, but people did not complain. They talked to each other. They smiled. They helped each other. Children in the countryside had a simple childhood. Many children walked to school every day. Some schools were far from the village. The roads were dusty in the dry season and muddy in the rainy season. The classrooms were small. Sometimes there were not enough desks or books. But children wanted to learn. They respected their teachers. After school, children helped their parents. They fed cows and chickens. They carried water from wells or rivers. In the late afternoon, they played traditional games. They ran. They laughed. They enjoyed the fresh air. There were no smartphones, no internet. Life was slow, but full of simple happiness. Electricity was rare in many villages. At night, families used candles or oil lamps. The light was soft and yellow. People sat together. They talked about their day. Grandparents told stories about the past, about hard times, and happy memories. Food in the countryside was simple, but fresh and healthy. People grew vegetables near their homes. They fished in rivers, ponds, and rice fields. Neighbors shared food. They helped each other. Community life was strong. Life was not easy. Many families were poor. Medical care was limited. When people were sick, they used traditional medicine. But people were patient. They were strong. They believed hard work could bring a better future. Now, let us learn some new words. Vocabulary. Word 1. Countryside. The countryside is land outside the city. Example: I live in the countryside with my family. Word 2. Farmer. A farmer is a person who grows food. Example: my father is a farmer. Word 3. Village. A village is a small place where people live. Example: she lives in a small village. Word 4. Harvest. Harvest means to collect crops. Example: they harvest rice every year. Word 5. Tradition. Tradition means customs passed down in a family or country. Example: respecting elders is a tradition in Cambodia. You are doing very well. Keep learning English step by step. Life in the Cambodian countryside around the year 2000 was full of challenges, but also full of kindness. It was a life close to nature, close to family, and close to tradition. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day. See you next time.